Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. Before starting 3.1, some of the students they have suggested me to start the chapter from 3.1. So before going to that, we should know some of the definitions. First, parallel lines, then coincident lines, intersecting lines. Okay, now we will go for the parallel lines. Rays or the segments. Lines, rays or the segments in a plane, those do not intersect at any point. See, two lines which never meet at any point is called as parallel lines, and the symbol for the parallel is this one. This is the figure for the parallel. They never meet at any point. Then coincident, two lines or the shape that lies exactly on top of each other. That means when two lines are overlapping on each other without forming any gap is called as coincident lines. It means it meets at infinite many points. It will meet on each and every point. Okay, that means they overlap on each other. Next, what is intersecting lines? Two cross meet at a point, common point. There will be a common point for two cross. Okay, that means two lines which are meeting at a point is called as intersecting lines. Okay, they meet at only one point. Now there is a table. Before going to that, there is a table. We should know what will be the condition for the intersecting lines, coincident lines, and the parallel lines. See, this is the example for comparing ratio. This is the example for a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. It is intersecting lines, and it will have exactly one solution, that is unique solution. Then a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. It is called as coincident lines. It will have infinite many solutions because intersecting lines will meet at one point, common point. Coincident will meet on many points. That's why it will be many solutions. Okay, for here it is only one solution. Therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. It is parallel lines, and there will be no solution because they never meet at any point. That's why there will be no solution. See, for intersecting lines and for coincident lines, that means a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 and a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. These two are called as coincident pair of equations. What it is called, sir? Sorry, consistent pair of equations. It is also consistent pair of equation where parallel is not consistent. That means it is inconsistent pair of equations. Understood? See, intersecting lines and the coincident lines is called as consistent pair of equation where parallel lines is inconsistent pair. These are the definition for the consistent and inconsistent. See, what is consistent? If a consistent system has exactly one solution, it is independent. Okay, that means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. If a consistent system has an infinite number of solutions, it is dependent. That is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Note, consistent and dependent when you graph the equations, both equations represent the same line. If a system has no solution, it is said to be inconsistent. If a system which doesn't have any solution, that means parallel, it is inconsistent. Whereas intersecting and coincident is called as consistent. Thank you.